cooking rice. So the first step is to prepare first. We have prepared. Second step is to get 2 scoops. I will get 2 scoops of rice into the rice cooker and wash it and rinse it until it's clean. And 3, once it's done, we will cook it. So first, we have to wipe here so that it won't cause any problem. And now, cook it. So, thank you for watching Ryker's Amazing World. Welcome back to the second video. Since we already cooked the rice, we're going to cook our viand. So our viand is sauteed vegetables. So right here, my task is to clean the broccoli and also clean the carrots and peel it. Make sure to throw all the peelings and the fallen broccoli and to throw them. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.